印度国际航空、电缆航空伫巴黎国际航空展览签落来史上上大订单，因是向空中巴士公司买500台 A320的客机，金额是美金550亿。专家是认为讲，因为即阵疫情过后，商业市场长得兴。
伫合约签名，飞机制造大厂空中巴士伫巴黎国际航空太空展第一天，就甲印度联航业者电缆航空签500台飞机的破纪录大订单。
An enormous milestone. To our knowledge and our recollection, no one has ever ordered an order of this magnitude, and it speaks to the potential of Indian aviation and the ambitions which Indigo is having.
巴黎国际航太展19开幕，就创商业航空的历史纪录。电缆航空买500台 A320空中巴士客机，价值差不多550亿美金，差不多代表1.7兆亿。2035年到2035年之间交机，今年年中印度人口将会到14.3亿，将做世界第一，有机会取代中国，将做开拓航空市场的主要场域。在全世界已经过一段路，旅游市场回温，航空公司也开始买飞机。
Right now, demand is not the problem. Supply is the challenge. Supply is the key constraint. And so, from our standpoint, we're looking to return to the levels of production we had before the pandemic began.
You know, this is the strongest aviation market that I've seen in 35 years. You've got a very strong uptick on the defense side of the house, but also the commercial market recovery post-pandemic really has hit its stride, full bore, and we're almost back to the peak.
今年2月，印度航空则向波音公司加空中巴士订470台飞机。市场分析师强调，除了疫情结束，机队旧啊需要换新也是主要原因。虽然这种情形唔是永远的，不过又会让有期，每年会当有几落百台客机的订单。公司新闻张伟林编译。